Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Ready to sell tickets on SeatGeek? In this tutorial, we will guide you throughout the steps to list and sell your tickets on SeatGeek. From creating listings to optimizing your sales, we've got you covered. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So first of all guys, I will need you to go ahead and open SeatGeek.com. After you do so, simply click on here, which is the sell button, so you can go to the sell page of this website. Now let's take a look at it first. So another fan awaits, sell your ticket. So can't make a game, or you can't basically read to watch the game, sell on SeatGeek and your seats can be someone else in no time. So no ticket goes to waste and your money will now be back to you. So these are the official ticketing partner, so you can find here a lot of teams, and basically here why sell on SeatGeek. So we've rebuilt the entire selling experience from the ground up to help other fans see their favorite teams live. See for yourself why selling on SeatGeek is better. You can sell faster, so we use years of historical data and innovative technology to help you sell your tickets faster. Take home more. Their sales fees are so good or even better than their competitors. Maximize reach. Reach a high number of passionate fans on the highest rated ticketing app. And finally, trusted and secure. We make sure the fans buying your tickets are real, so you really get paid. Now, how does it work? That we mentioned that listing your ticket only takes few taps. In just 3 simple steps, you can list, price, and sell your ticket for another fan to enjoy. So, import your ticket. SeatGeek is directly integrated with your favorite team, so importing your ticket happens in no time. List them for sale. So choose your own price. Use their price recommendation or get help from smart pricing to price your tickets your way, and then get paid. Of course, there is a 10% service fee, so basically you're gonna know how much money you're gonna make, so always put a higher price so you can make more profits. Now, are you ready to sell? So click in here to start selling. But future you will be a fan of. We don't just talk the talk, we are building the new features every day that make selling your seat a breeze. So this is sit back and get paid. Your tickets have sold. Here, payout summary, you can get information. So SeatGeek is directly integrated with your favorite teams, so once your tickets sell, we'll automatically get your tickets in the hands of the buyer and get you paid. So basically, once you sell the tickets, it's gonna be sent directly to the buyer and you're gonna get paid. You can sell without the guesswork, so they will recommend the price to list your tickets based on historical data, nearby seats, and the current market value to help take the guesswork out of pricing your tickets. They sometimes even have such a feature. For example, let's say that your seat was next to another celebrity, so that means your seat will be worth 10 times more. They will even mention that for you. Now, every deeds of every seat. So here you can best seats in the house. We automatically tell every buyer what makes your seat special, like padded cushions and club access with no manual input needed. Finally, here we have price tickets like a genius. You can sell faster, so a price for faster sales, so it's gonna be lower. Balance a mix of speed and payout, and sell bigger. Price for higher payout. Smart pricing uses AI and years of data to automatically track and adjust your ticket prices so your seats sell at the right price as fast as possible without the headache. Now save time, set together, and get a sneak peek on how it goes. Some all-star stats. So 15% of users list their tickets in under 1 minute. 4 million fan-to-fan tickets sold in 2023, and 83% of customer satisfaction rating among sellers. So what's the difference of SeatGeek and competitors? You have automated seats perks, you have smart pricing, seat level maps, dynamic view from seats, and much more. So let's click here to start selling. So instantly log in with email or use password instead. So instantly log in with email. Let me do this. Here they were gonna send us like secure email for a code. Let's go here. Need to open my Gmail account, and this is SeatGeek. Copy the code, paste it right here. Oh, I didn't copy it. My bad. Copy, paste, confirm, and now I have created my account. So let's click on sell. This is my tickets. I'm going to add a new ticket right here. So click on add, and let's choose what kind of concerts or events are we going to sell. Let's, for example, say MLB. Which team? Let's say Los Angeles Angels. So link MLB tickets, and then you have to add the get started login below with email address and password for your MLB account. Then click login button. So here you should add your MLB account, log in into it, and then you will be able to log in. The same thing goes for other tickets. For example, here drop and drag tickets or click upload. Let's get a random ticket. Tickets, SeatGeek picture. Here we go. So we have now like let's have a ticket NLF picture. So we have this one, for example. Let's take a save image. Let's go here. Let's upload. What should it be named? Or we can just drag it in here. Please upload the PDF or JPG file. What kind of file did we have? Let me just click on all files. Oh, it is a web picture. Let me just find another picture. Let's go here. Let's try this one. JPG. Okay, that's perfect. So image 1, upload, and your tickets are uploaded. Back to my tickets. So let's go here. So activity. Let's go here, listings. As you can see, there's no listings, but yet we have tickets uploaded. So let's click here once more. We currently allow uploading original PDFs and sourcing. So basically now, guys, once you are doing stuff like that, your tickets are actually going to be processed. You'll be able to sell them on the SeatGeek marketplace once they are fully processed. So your tickets, once you are uploading this way, they are going to take much longer time for them to process, and then you'll be able to sell them. But in case you had an account with MLB or got a ticket with NFL or NCAA, you simply have to log in into your account within these platforms, and they're going to integrate each other. So SeatGeek is going to integrate with your MLB or NFL or NCAA account, and they are going to get all the details of your ticket that are basically available on your account, and you can select which one of your tickets that you own you want to sell, and then you're gonna be taken back to SeatGeek, where you're gonna continue the details such as the prices and some other details that you might want to add in the selling process. And yeah, guys, that was basically it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you guys a lot, and see you guys in the next tutorial.